Hello people of TikTok, they're probably just randomly scrolling. We are currently going to a goat festival, so keep watching if you want to go to a goat festival with me. Now, what's a goat festival? It's exactly what it sounds like. A festival of goats and goat products, and you know, I'm really excited. A lot of people told me it was weird, but hey, what's wrong with being weird? Goat Fest. This is so cute. I'm getting a shirt.
Yeah, I
got a sticker. That's so cute. Little mini goats. Oh my god, that is funny. That is so cute. Right. This is adorable. That's cool. That's so pretty. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. Look at the bunnies. That's so cool. The goats just free roam down in the woods. It's crazy because like you wouldn't expect this here because it's like in the middle of the city. There's goat pins.
Aw, how much are they?
Hi. It's a donkey. Hi. You guys are so friendly. Hi. I just got you on a pin. Hello, donkey. That was a big hill. It's the little goat. And sheep. Oh, these guys are small. Hi, pony. Live music. I got it. Made you came to Go Fest?
Yes, I'm glad.
The things I find. Now to end with food. Can we have a plain fry?